So we're on page 98, 98, and lesson B. Lesson B. Okay? And this is the present perfect continuous grammar focused questions and statements with for and advice. So I like to play the QR for you.
Questions and statements with for and since. Watch and listen. Present perfect continuous. Questions with how long. Use questions with how long in the present perfect continuous to ask about actions that started in the past, continue to now, and will probably continue in the future.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English for about a year.
Present perfect continuous. Questions with how long. To make how long questions, use this order. How long plus have or has plus the subject plus been plus the base form of the verb plus ing.
How long have you been looking for a job?
For 2 months.
How long has she been cooking?
For 3 hours. How long have you been working here?
Since 2000. How long have they been talking?
For 5 minutes.
Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Complete the question. Use the verb in parentheses. Then complete the answer with for or since.
How long has she been cooking?
For 3 hours. How long have you been working here?
Since 2000. How long have they been talking?
For 5 minutes.
Watch and listen. Present perfect continuous. Yes, no questions. Use yes, no questions in the present perfect continuous to ask about actions that started in the past, continue to now, and will probably continue in the future.
Have you been studying for a long time?
No, I haven't.
Present perfect continuous. Yes, no questions. To make yes, no questions, use this order. Have or has plus the subject plus been plus the base form of the verb plus ing.
Have they been studying Spanish for 3 years?
Yes, they have. Has she been cooking for a long time?
Yes, she has. Has he been working here for a long time?
Yes, he has. Have they been talking for a long time?
No, they haven't.
Check your understanding. Complete the question with the present perfect and the verb in parentheses. Then, complete the answer.
Has she been cooking for a long time?
Yes, she has. Has he been working here for a long time?
Yes, he has. Have they been talking for a long time?
No, they haven't. haven't.
Watch and listen. Present perfect continuous statements. Use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past, continue to now, and will probably continue in the future.
I have been studying English for 2 years.
She has been driving since she was 16.
Present perfect continuous statements. Form present perfect continuous statements in this way. Subject plus have or has plus been plus the base form of the verb plus ing.
He has been studying Spanish for 3 years.
You have been working since you were 18. She has been cooking for 3 hours.
I have been working here since 6 o'clock.
They have been talking all morning.
Check your understanding. Complete the statement. Use the present perfect continuous and the verb in parentheses.
She has been cooking for 3 hours.
I have been working since 6 o'clock.
They have been talking all morning.
Let's review. Use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past, continue to now, and will probably continue in the future.
Have you been living here for a long time?
Yes, I have.
No, I haven't.
Has Tony been working here for a long time?
Yes, he has.
No, he hasn't.
Have they been working here for a long time?
Yes, they have.
No, they haven't.
How long have you been looking for a job?
How long has Tony been working as a teacher's assistant?
How long have they been working at the school?
Since October.
For about a year.
Statements.
I've been waiting for a long time.
Lita has been waiting since 2 o'clock.
We've been waiting all morning.
Use since with specific times.
Since 2011.
Use for with periods of time.
For 2 months.
Okay. That was good. Okay, so let's go a little review here. Present perfect continuous. I prefer to say progressive. British English, they use progressive. Americans use continuous. Same thing. You can use either or. Okay, the definition. Actions that start in the past, and they continue to now, and will probably continue into the future. Now, here we have two helping verbs. Have been or has been. Okay? Depending if it's singular or plural. Have been or has been. The main verb always ends in ing, all the time. The main verb comes after the helping verbs, always. So we have some sentences here. I have been waiting for a long time. So we're going to use for with periods of time. We use for with periods of time. I, subject pronoun, have been, helping verb, waiting, main verb, okay, so here we have a subordinating conjunction, a, adjective, long adjective, time. Now, for a long time, I have been waiting. We can turn it around. Sentence number 2. Lydia has been waiting since 2 o'clock. We use since with a specific time. Specific time. 2 o'clock. That's a specific time. Lydia, subject noun, has been, helping verb, main verb, waiting. It ends in ing. Since, okay? So since here is a adverb, 2 o'clock is a noun. Okay. We've been waiting all morning. We've been waiting all morning. Okay? Or we have been waiting all morning. Okay? So, again, let's useful language. We use since with a specific time. I have been going to class since 2018. Since 2018. That's a specific time. Use for with periods of time. For 2 months, comma, because it's a prepositional phrase. For is a preposition. 2 is an adjective. Months is a noun. So when we start a sentence with a prepositional phrase, we have to place a comma. I have been going to class. I, subject pronoun. Have been, helping verb. And going, main verb. To, preposition. Class, noun. Okay, so we have 2 sentences here that I wrote. Let's look at them and we could break them down. First sentence, that dog has been barking for 3 hours. I wonder where is the owner. That dog has been barking for 3 hours. Semicolon. I wonder where is the owner. Okay, so let's break it down. That is a demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative determiner. Dog is the subject noun. Has been, helping verb. Barking, main verb. For, again, we use for a period of time. For is going to be a preposition. 3, adjective. Hours, noun. Prepositional phrase, for 3 hours. I wonder where is the owner. I is going to be subject pronoun. Wonder is going to be a verb. Here we have two actions. Okay. So in the second action or event, the verb is going to be in the simple present. Where is an adverb is a to be verb. Is always a verb. The is pronounced the, not the. I made a mistake. The adjective owner, noun. It's pronounced the because the word after the starts with a vowel. So it's the, not the. Okay? So that's how this sentence is diagrammed. You could say diagrammed. Next sentence. I have been relying on my Christmas bonus to pay for gifts I buy for my family. I have been relying on my Christmas bonus to pay for gifts I buy for my family. Okay? I, subject pronoun. Have been is helping verb. Relying, main verb. On, preposition. My, possessive adjective. Christmas, it's going to be an adjective here because it's modifying the next word, which is a noun. Bonus, to pay, to plus a verb is infinitive. To plus a verb. Infinitive. For gifts. For preposition. Gifts, a noun. Okay, let me look at this. I have been relying on Christmas bonus to pay for gifts. I, subject pronoun. By, verb. Okay, so verb in the simple present. For, preposition. My, adjective. Family, noun. Okay. So let's look at it again. The important aspects: present perfect continuous or progressive. The action started in the past, continues up to the present till now, and sometimes it may continue into the future. Has been or have been are helping verbs, and the main verb ends in ing. Use since with a specific time. Since 2018. Use for with periods of time. For 2 months, I have been going to class. Okay, I'll be back shortly with another aspect of our lesson. Ciao for now.